Welcome back to my videos, guys. In today's video, as I'm sure you've already been able to tell from the thumbnail, I'm going to be reviewing the Sharpie limited edition collector set from Walmart during this past Black Friday season. This is 2019's edition. And in today's set, I'm using 18 fine point markers and 12 ultra fine point markers. These are permanent alcohol-based markers, and this set also comes with 6 bonus coloring pages. Wow. This set retailed for $10, so each Sharpie was basically worth 33 cents, and if you add in the bonus coloring pages, it basically means each marker was 30 cents. That's what I'm going with. But yeah, if this seems familiar to you, it might be because this is the exact same thing that I did for my very first YouTube video. I just reviewed the 2018 version of this, and the only real difference is a couple of the colors, and the coloring sheets for the new one are space themed instead of dragon themed. Whew, already making mistakes in this voiceover. My bad. So, for these markers, I'm going to just read off the colors that these come in. So, in the fine point, you get a black, slate gray, celestial gray, intergalactic indigo, blue, aqua, argyle green, mint, lime, supersonic yellow, yellow, peach, solar flare red, racy red, rocket fuel red, boysenberry, purple, and brown. In the ultrafine markers, you get a black, navy, brilliant blue, blue ice, jet set jade, green, tangerine, orange, red, berry, lilac, and ultraviolet. And as great as all of that sounds, having all of those different colors, well, the colors are only on the box. They're not on the markers themselves. How do I know what color's what? Okay, yeah, sure. I can pretty much guess what color black is. I can probably figure out which one's yellow and which one's supersonic yellow. That's great. But I shouldn't have to figure it out on my own. I shouldn't. Company, it's not that hard to put your color name on your marker. I mean, a competing brand, Bic, just putting that out there, they put their color names on their markers. Okay? So, honestly, yes, I've bought the set from 2018. I bought the set from 2019. I like the coloring pages. They're good quality cardstock paper. I like the variety of colors of markers. Only one of these Sharpies happen to be dry. But, you know, it's not bad. But I don't think I'll be buying any more Sharpies because they don't put color names on their markers, and that bugs me. And because I know a competing brand that is basically the same, it's actually a little bit better in my opinion, Bic, they actually put their color names on their markers. And I appreciate that since, you know, I do a lot of work. I need to know what colors I'm using, and the only way I really can verify what exact color I used is based on the color name of the marker, not just based on a cap color. Yeah, that's why I tend to go for Bic or other brands that have the color names on them instead of Sharpie. Sharpie's just sort of my doodling around markers, or just, I use them for notes mostly, honestly, instead of art, because it's hard to know what they are. Like, what color is what? I don't know. I'm apparently really worked up about this. But yeah, it just kind of frustrates me that they don't have color names on the markers, so Sharpie, if you're out there and you're listening, put your names on your markers. If you're going to go through all the trouble to name your colors, you should put it on the marker. Like, why go through all the trouble of making up these names to put them on a box most people are probably going to throw away or recycle? And yes, I say throw away to be realistic, because I'm sure people are going to throw it away. Like, yeah, some people recycle, whatever. Focusing on the wrong thing. But once someone gets rid of the box, how will they know what colors they have? They won't, okay? They won't. So, yeah, maybe someone will be like, oh, I'll watch a video that has this, or I'll Google it, and then I'll know the colors I have. But that's such an extra step. Like, if you're going to go through all the trouble to name your markers, put it on the marker. Or just don't name them in the first place. Like, you're creating more work for yourselves and others by doing it that way. So, just, if you're listening, Sharpie, just fix it. Fix it. That's what I'm asking. Fix it, I'll buy your product. You don't fix it, I'm done. I'm done. I'm just not going to buy your product anymore. So, yeah, all of you out there watching, you make your own choices. If you want to buy the Sharpies, great. That's your choice. You can. If you are annoyed at marker brands and companies that don't put their color names on their markers, don't get Sharpie. You'll be disappointed. So, I'm going to get off that rant bubble for now. Rant bubble? Is that? Nope. Soapbox, that's what it is. A rant bubble. Oof. I think that's going to be a thing now, a rant bubble. I'm going to step out of that, though, because it's bumming me out. And yeah, I'll talk a little bit about the art, and then I will mention something else to you guys. So I'm just coloring in one of the coloring sheets just to show you how it works. It was pretty great. There's minimal bleed through. If you overblend any of your markers, it's going to like peel up the paper a little bit, but it's just because of the quality of paper. After so many layers of alcohol ink, it just can't take that many. But for a normal coloring page, it can handle a lot. I didn't deal with any of it like bending or warping, so that's good. The color selection was great. I used all the colors on this one piece. It's a coloring page. I liked it. It's space themed, and Star Wars just came out, so that's relevant. Yeah, that's about all I got for the art. I wanted to add a little contrast with the planets in the background. That's about it. That's pretty much all I did for it. But yeah, the other thing I want to tell you guys about, just to keep updated into the new year, continue watching these videos. If you happen to know me and any of my brand, you might know I make coloring books. And if you're interested to hear about the second one that I'll be publishing, stay tuned, because I'm going to have a couple announcements about that in the new year. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Add some more shenanigans into your life by following me on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, make sure you're subscribed to this very channel so you don't miss out on any of my latest shenanigans. Thanks so much for watching my videos, guys. It means a heck of a lot to me. See you in the next one. Bye.